Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your workspace and importing references. You don't need to install every plugin first. Sign into the Reference Manager, enable sync, and choose cloud or local storage so items won't be lost. Next, collect source files, PDF, RIS/BIB exports, or DOIs from journals. Use the browser connector to capture a citation in one click. This saves metadata and PDF if available. Once done, tag incoming items and place them in a new, descriptive collection for your current project. You now organize and clean your library to make it usable. Start by creating collections or folders and apply tags so you can filter by topic, project, or priority. Then run duplicate detection and merge entries. Correct metadata like authors, publication year, and DOI so exports are accurate. Attach PDFs to their records and rename files consistently for quick retrieval. Finally, set your citation style and insert a test bibliography into a draft document to verify formatting and tweak export settings as needed. You finish by integrating references into writing and ensuring reliability. Use the word processor plugin to insert citations and let the manager update the bibliography automatically as you write. Make sure the citation style matches your target journal. Keep sync enabled and resolve any conflicts by selecting the most complete record so collaborators don't lose edits. If citations show errors or missing fields, re-import via DOI or manually edit the record. Then rebuild the citation cache or restart the plugin to refresh in document formatting. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.